In this tutorial, we will look at how to create and amend purchase returns in Sage 200 from Excel using Excelerator. We can work with a single purchase return at a time, but in this tutorial, we are going to amend multiple returns. Today, we will amend these two purchase returns. They are live, not completed, which means that they can be amended. To begin, we log in. Our Windows credentials will be used automatically if you have Sage 200 version 2013 or later. We will now select and download the purchase returns. We will browse the stock/service code and add new stock items. Choose the warehouse and enter the return quantity. Click Calculate Values to calculate tax based on the products being returned. Validate to make sure the data adheres to Sage 200 rules. We can now click Save to Sage to upload this data directly to Sage. It's as simple as that. Let's go back to Sage 200 and take a look. As we can see, our purchase returns have been amended successfully. We can also create our own template using the Spreadsheet Designer. Click the Designer button. In the Designer, all standard Sage fields are available. Enter the number of rows needed. We will add the document number, supplier, document date, supplier order number, request delivery date, item line number, stock/service code, warehouse, quantity, and line net. Our template is now ready. Let's download the purchase order that the return will be based on. Now we will update the document date, supplier order number, request delivery date, and add the quantities being returned. Click Calculate Values to calculate tax based on the products being returned. We then click Save to Sage. In a single mouse click, a new purchase return has been created and the document number is written back to the sheet. Back in Sage 200, we can see our newly added purchase return here. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please click the like button below and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications for the latest tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those in the comment section below. To contact us, send us an email at sales@codis.co.uk. For more information, visit our website, codis.co.uk.